Welcome back to the Review Scout. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a review of a revolutionary product that is changing the game for entrepreneurs, content creators, and online business owners everywhere. It's called UltraSuite, and it might just be the ultimate solution you've been waiting for. For years, we've all relied on platforms like GoDaddy for hosting, Aweber or GetResponse for email marketing, and ClickFunnels for building sales funnels. But let's face it, these tools can be incredibly expensive. Monthly fees pile up fast, often costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. And if you're just starting out or trying to grow your business, those recurring fees can be a real burden. That's where UltraSuite comes in. It's an all-in-one platform designed to replace all these tools. With UltraSuite, you can host unlimited websites, create unlimited funnels, and send unlimited emails, all for a single, low, one-time payment. That's right, no recurring fees, no limits, and no hidden charges. So, what exactly does UltraSuite offer? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about hosting. UltraSuite provides unlimited hosting for your websites, files, and videos. Whether you're running a WordPress blog, an e-commerce store, a sales funnel, or an affiliate site, UltraSuite's ultra-high-speed servers have you covered. And with 99.999% uptime, you'll never have to worry about your website going down at a critical moment. Imagine the possibilities here. You can run multiple websites without worrying about bandwidth limits, slow loading times, or high costs. Visitors will enjoy a seamless browsing experience, and you'll benefit from improved engagement and better SEO rankings. Plus, Google loves fast-loading websites, so this could even help your search engine performance. Next, let's look at the email marketing features. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools for growing a business, but traditional autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse come with hefty monthly fees. UltraSuite eliminates those fees by offering unlimited email sending. You can run as many campaigns as you like, connect with your audience, and drive real results, all without worrying about extra costs. The built-in email tools are professional, user-friendly, and perfect for both beginners and experienced marketers. You can even create personalized email accounts that match your domain, giving your business a polished and professional look. Now, let's talk about funnels. Funnels are essential for converting visitors into customers, but platforms like ClickFunnels charge premium prices for their services. With UltraSuite, you can create unlimited funnels that are fast, reliable, and incredibly easy to set up. Whether you're promoting affiliate products, launching your own offers, or building a subscriber list, this platform makes it simple to design and deploy highly profitable funnels. What I love about UltraSuite is how user-friendly it is. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any prior experience to use it. The interface is 100% newbie-friendly, and setting up your websites or funnels is a breeze. In fact, UltraSuite even offers one-click WordPress deployment, so you can get your site up and running in minutes. And let's not forget about security. One of the biggest challenges of managing an online business is keeping your website safe from hackers and malware. UltraSuite takes care of this with built-in malware protection and robust security features. You'll have full control over your websites and domains, with no restrictions and no compromises on safety. Another standout feature is the accessible cPanel. This gives you the freedom to manage your hosting environment with ease. Whether you need to upload files, create email accounts, or manage databases, the cPanel puts everything at your fingertips. It's straightforward, intuitive, and perfect for users at any skill level. Now, let's talk about the value for money. By switching to UltraSuite, you can save up to $1,000 a year. That's money you can reinvest into your business, whether it's for marketing new tools or scaling your operations. And because there are no monthly fees, you'll never have to worry about recurring costs eating into your profits. Think about it. Platforms like GoDaddy, HostGator, Aweber, and ClickFunnels charge premium prices for services that UltraSuite provides for a one-time fee. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to maximize their ROI and streamline their business operations. One of the things I appreciate most about UltraSuite is the flexibility it offers. Whether you're hosting a WordPress site, an e-commerce store, a cloud storage platform, or even a sales funnel, this suite has the tools you need to succeed. You're not locked into a specific type of site or business model. You have the freedom to adapt and grow as your needs change. And if you're worried about making the switch from your current platforms, don't be. UltraSuite is designed to make the transition as smooth as possible. You can easily move your existing websites and files, ensuring a hassle-free migration process. Customer support is another area where UltraSuite shines. They offer 24/7 ongoing technical support, so if you ever run into an issue, help is just a click away. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem, setting up a new feature, or just need guidance, the support team is there to assist you. Now, let's address the question you might be asking. Is it too good to be true? The answer is no. UltraSuite delivers everything it promises, and it even comes with an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. So, who is UltraSuite for? It's perfect for affiliate marketers, small business owners, content creators, and anyone who wants to run a professional online presence without breaking the bank. It's also a fantastic choice for beginners who are just starting out and need an all-in-one solution that's affordable and easy to use. In summary, UltraSuite is a powerful, cost-effective, and user-friendly platform that replaces multiple expensive tools. With unlimited hosting, email sending, and funnel building capabilities, it offers everything you need to grow your business, all for a low one-time fee. If you're ready to say goodbye to overpriced platforms like GoDaddy, Aweber, and ClickFunnels, and hello to a smarter, more efficient solution, UltraSuite is the way to go. Check the link in the description to learn more and grab this amazing deal before it's gone. Thank you for watching the Review Scout. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased insights and trusted recommendations. Until next time, take care and stay ahead of the game.